Alright, so I don't know if you can see this clearly. If not, there's something on the lens. It is October 19th. I am heading to Starbucks to get some coffee for the wife and I. Some little egg bites for the little girl. We are going to an RV store just in Bradenton, about 30 minutes away. Dropping off our little boy, our 3-month-old, to be sat by great grandma. I think we're going to be signing for our RV today. So, okay. So what we're getting, or what we're looking at getting, don't come across desperate, Zachary. Don't let the salesman know you are ready to say yes to anything they require. It's a 2020 Forest River Cardinal Limited 3780 LE. Now, why all of that is important, it really isn't. But what we found is, so Keystone makes the Sprinter. We looked at the Keystone Sprinter Limited. That, I forgot the floor plan, but it has a bunk in there, and we have a 4-year-old. I'm gonna be planning for needing a little office space, her needing a little play space. Both of them had that. Both of them are gonna be the same price. But got down to negotiations, got the price, got everything figured out on the Keystone, and they can't install a stackable washer. That's a killer. Gotta have a stackable washer. The Cardinal does that. It fits. So now it's time to get some Starbucks and go do this thing. This is not doing a very good job of tracking my eyeball. There you go. It's because I'm looking away. I look back. Yeah, there, you did a good job. Good morning, how are you? Audrey, what are we doing?
Buying our home.
Which is?
Fifth wheel.
We're doing this.
Evie, ready to do this?
Yep.
Yep. Yep. So we're here at Guernsey's in Bradenton. This is Kevin, he's the sales guy who's been helping me out a lot, get all the information. We're gonna look at our new unit. It's Cardinal Limited. Let's take a look at it. Fit. Oh my God! I just gotta get down. So I'll open this to show. this is the RV. It is a 2020. It's that. It's a Cardinal Limited. It is awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4 slides. You've got dual axle, all the power, all the storage. That goes through to the other side. That's our water hookup with a little shower spout. Hookup. We got propane right there for cooking and stuff. So it's pretty sick. Pretty sick. That's it. That's it. Okay. Am I talking?
You're talking.
I'm talking. Okay, so all the emotions. We just signed paperwork for our fifth wheel. So what we walked through a little bit ago and all the video and the ins and outs, I mean, there'll be a more in-depth walkthrough once it gets on our driveway property. But yeah, we just did that. That's a thing.
So we technically, would that count us as multiple homeowners now?
we own 2 home things. Oh my gosh. Freaking fist bumping. You excited? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Fist bump.
Fist bump. Got it. That was double fist bump. A lot of things. Just what this means. It's gonna be so awesome.
Excited.
Super excited. Super emotional.
Super emotional.
My vision's getting blurry, I'm driving. Oh yeah. I'm happy to be doing this with you.
Bubba.
And the little Bubba that's not here, little Atlas. He'll be excited for whatever it is in like a couple of years. Oh. Welcome to the Thorpe Venture. It's gonna be awesome.